As you can see today, we're implementing our third goal, which is youth empowerment. And through youth empowerment, we decided to conduct a basketball game which connects the youth of Kakuma 1 and Kakuma 2, basically with aim of peace and cohesion. And we expect this sport and game to have a very positive impact on our youth in terms of talent, in terms of sociality, in terms of connection, talent improvement, and leading to a livelihood empowerment as well.
Most of